All right, eighth grade. This is using data from tables. It's lesson 19. All right, eighth grade. With our vocabulary, we have data, which is just information or data, depending on who says it. We have a reminder. Now, LPs are long playing records. EPs are extended playing records. They're sometimes referred to as vinyls. And remember, $1,000,000 is a 1 followed by 6 zeros. This table shows the total list price value of recordings shipped to stores in 3 different years. The information in this table is called data or data. And it's millions of dollars shipments of records. So, for example, single records in 1991 was $63.9 million. In 1992, it was $66.4 million. In 1993, it was $51.2 million. So we have all of these different categories of recordings that were used. And they're all like different prices and different years. So when you are asked questions about a table, it is a good idea to look over the whole table first. Read the title of the table, millions of dollars, shipments of recordings. Then read the column headings and the labels for each row. So we have type, 1991, 1992, 1993. How many dollars of CDs, singles, were shipped in 1992? So we have CD singles in 1992 was $45.1 million worth. So it says to find the answer, first find the entry across from the label CD singles and under the heading 92. The number is 45.1. However, this number represents millions of dollars. So you take 45.1 times 1 million and you get $45,100,000 worth of CD singles or recordings were shipped in 1992. So we're going to be using this chart here. It says, what is the dollar value of music video shipments in 1993? So it says, write the entry in the table that is across from music videos and down from 1993. So we have music videos and then 1993. So on our line, we are going to write 213.3. We're going to write that number right here again. And then when you multiply it out on your calculator, we're going to get 213,300,000, and the dollar sign's already labeled there. So you're going to make sure that you have this filled out before going on to the next page. And you will need to come back and refer to this chart to answer the first 2 questions on the next page. All right, I'm going to help you with number 2, but then you're going to have to do number 3. It says, according to the table, in what year did CD shipments have the greatest dollar value? So you're going to look back at that chart, and then you're going to go to CDs, and you're going to look for the biggest number, and then you're going to go up to the year, and that is 1993. So then when you come down here, you're going to have to write down how many dollars worth of LPs and EPs were shipped in 1991. And that is on the chart from the previous page. It says, use the table below to solve the problems. The table shows the result of a survey taken over the phone by a radio station. So you're going to answer these questions down here. And we have the radio station survey, most popular music. We have favorite type of music, rock, country, rap, classical, pop, rock, and jazz. The total survey is 1,000. These are the numbers of people that went with each category. So like rock, 215 chose it to be their favorite. Country was 175. Rap was 81. Classical was 102. Pop was 342. Jazz was 85. And then the total that was surveyed was 1,000 people. So you're going to answer problems 4, 5, 6, and 7. The one that I'm going to help you on is number 6. It says, which form of music is popular with about 10% of the people who took part in the survey? Now, I'm going to use this as my worksheet. And I'm going to take the 215 and let me put that into pen form. And I'm going to divide that by the number of people, which is 1,000. And I get a decimal of 0.21. And if you remember to change from a decimal to a percent, I move it 2 places to the right. So this becomes 21%. So I'm going to take 175, I'm going to divide by 1,000. And when I do that, I get 17.5. Wait a minute, I messed up. When I do that problem on my calculator, I get 0.175. Then you're going to have to move your decimal 2 places to the right to get the percent. So down here, you're going to divide this by 1,000. You're going to get a decimal, and then you're going to have to convert it to a percent. Down here, you're going to have to divide by a number, get a decimal, get a percent, and so on. This one that I grayed out, you don't have to divide it by 1,000 because that's the answer that we're using. So you're going to do that, and then you're going to find out which one of these is closest to 10%. All right, 10%. Then you're going to answer number 7. Now, since you guys are watching this video, I'm going to be nice, and I'm going to say that you do not have to do this one. So I crossed it out. Now, remember, you need to finish the rest of the assignment. Don't forget to submit to me through Canvas when done. Good luck and have fun.